L'amour de Meghan Markle pour les animaux de compagnie battait son plein lors de son 3e jour à La Haye lorsqu'elle a rencontré un chien d'assistance. Meghan et le prince Harry ont passé le dimanche de Pâques parmi certains des participants au jeu Invictus qui se sont réunis aux Pays-Bas pour l'édition de cette année. Dimanche, le duc et la duchesse de Sussex ont regardé certaines des épreuves d'athlétisme se déroulant au Zuider Park et se sont entretenus avec des concurrents venant du monde entier. Mais l'attention de Meghan a été temporairement volée par un adorable chien d'assistance, qui fait partie de l'équipe néerlandaise. La duchesse s'est précipitée pour caresser le chien, un labrador doré nommé Castor, après l'avoir pairé sur la piste. La duchesse a roucoulé devant l'animal au comportement impeccable, le caressant et tenant son visage entre ses mains. L'auteur royal Omid Scobie a rapporté sur Harper's Bazaar Meghan disant au chien « Eh bien, je pourrais juste tomber amoureux de toi ». Alors que son attention était captée par l'animal de compagnie, Meghan et Harry discutaient avec le propriétaire et vétéran du chien, Eric Hartwich. Monsieur Hartwich souffre d'un grave SSPT après son déploiement sur la ligne de front en Bosnie en 2007. Meghan est très connue pour son amour des chiens. Au cours de ses années à Toronto, où elle a déménagé pour jouer dans le drame procédural américain Suits dans les années 2010, la duchesse avait un croisement labrador berger allemand appelé Bogart et un beagle nommé Guy. While Guy followed the Duchess to the UK when she married Prince Harry in 2018, the Duchess reportedly made the difficult decision to leave her dog Bogart with friends based in Canada. I was too old to make the long-planned journey to Britain. The newlyweds also added a new dog to their family shortly after things not. Prince Harry broke the news in the summer of 2018 at Osgondi introduced himself at a youth centre he was visiting with Meghan a part of a day-long tour to Sussex. He said at the time, "My name is Harry, I have 2 dogs, and my lovely American wife." It was later revealed their new dog is a black Labrador called Pula, which means rain in Setswana. Guy and Pula follow the Sussex even after they relocated to California in late March 2020 and stopped being full-time working members of the firm. After becoming a member of the firm, the Duchess included her love for dogs and interest in animal welfare in her royal work by becoming the patron of the animal charity Mayu. Meghan visited the London-based charity multiple times before returning to live in California. In early April, it was announced her patronage had come to an end at the beginning of 2022. 3 years after the bond was first created. The charity released a statement saying it had been an incredible privilege to work closely with Meghan over the years. And it also shared a message by the Duchess herself, in which she explained how she had come to choose Mayu in the first place as one of her 4 royal patronage. The organization was introduced to her by her friend and animal behaviorist Holly Just, who died in January. At her last move as patron of Mayu, Meghan announced the creation of a special wing at the charity in Mr. Just's honor as well as pledging to continue to support their cause. She said, "In his memory, we will be creating the Holly Just wing at Mayu, to shelter the animals who may have harder time finding their forever home. Because much like Holly, they will never be forgotten, and they will always be loved. Though my time as patron of Mayu has come to a close, my unwavering support has not." I encourage it show you to support in whatever way you are able. The emotional support of a rescue animal is a parallel that you'll soon realize, it is not you who saves them, it is they who save you.